We'll start in the hospitality sector as Hilton Hotels and Resorts partners with Tesla to supercharge your stay. Next, we'll take you to China, where Tesla's electric vehicle journey is experiencing remarkable growth. That's not all. We'll explore the evolving landscape of electric vehicle charging featuring major automotive players. Before we embark on this electrifying journey, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Tesla Insights for all the latest updates. The future of transportation is electric, and Tesla is leading the charge. They recently struck a huge deal with another leading company in their industry. Additionally, they made significant progress in this country, where the EV craze is taking over. Let's now explore some of Tesla's most noteworthy stories. China and Hilton Tesla and a strategic partner have partnered. In order to improve the convenience of long-distance travel for owners of electric vehicles, Hilton Hotels and Resorts is set to expand its supercharger network and install a substantial infrastructure of 20,000 Tesla universal wall connector plugs across 2,000 of its hotel properties located in the United States, Canada, and Mexico beginning in early 2024. With 1,850 of its Hilton-branded hotels across the globe equipped with EV chargers, Hilton is poised to become the industry leader in EV charging networks for the hospitality sector. This ambitious project is a reflection of Hilton's commitment to meeting the changing needs of its eco-aware guests. Hilton's decision to invest in expanding its EV charging infrastructure is firmly rooted in the growing demand from travelers for access to dependable charging facilities. Hilton has observed a notable increase in consumer interest in electric vehicle EV charging alternatives when traveling, as evidenced by the huge spike in the volume of searches for EV charging-related information on its website. The surge in queries linked to EV charging has significantly increased from the fourth to the second biggest category in terms of bookings. For visitors, having access to accessible charging facilities is a crucial factor that frequently influences their choice of lodging. Remarkably, according to past statistics from Hilton, one of the most popular searches that resulted in reservations for rooms was for information about using an airport shuttle service. It's important to distinguish between the Tesla universal wall connectors installed by Hilton and Tesla's famed supercharger network, even though both contribute to increase the appeal of Hilton's properties to the increasing community of EV owners. The goal of charging Tesla electric cars, which have different charging costs and speeds. Tesla's supercharger network offers fast DC charging, which is a quicker way to recharge an electric vehicle's battery. In comparison, wall connectors provide a slower but more affordable option for AC charging. With this approach, Tesla can serve a wider spectrum of customers, including those who value price or speed. The efficiency of their preferred charging methods as the world continues its shift towards sustainable transportation, partnerships like the one between Tesla and Hilton represent a significant step forward in the evolution of EV infrastructure, making electric vehicle travel more accessible and convenient for a wider range of consumers. These partnerships are poised to play a pivotal role in fostering the growth and adoption of electric vehicles. Rebecca Tanucci highlights that Tesla Charging's dedication to establishing affordable, easily accessible AC charging infrastructure in key locations is a perfect fit with the changing needs of owners of electric vehicles. Senior Director for Charging Infrastructure at Tesla, the goal is evident. This approach reflects Tesla's dedication to improving the accessibility and affordability of EV charging, fostering a seamless and efficient charging experience for its growing user base. Meanwhile, Tesla's supercharger network continues to attract notable automotive partners, with Honda announcing its integration of the North American market. Installing infrastructure at popular destinations like Hilton Hotels enables EV owners to charge where they park, meaning no unnecessary refueling stops along their journey. Starting in 2025, charging with a normal plug in its new EVs. This calculated action shows that Honda's electric vehicles will have native access to Tesla's supercharger network, increasing the allure of its EV products. In addition, Honda intends to release an adapter plug in 2025 to allow for backward compatibility with its earlier EVs models that adhere to the CCS standard. Another noteworthy development in the landscape of EV charging infrastructure that will affect network operators like AVO ChargePoint and Blink is that other automotive partners like GM, Ford, and Mercedes will have early access to the supercharger network starting next year. These businesses have historically tried to keep the charging wars impartial by supporting a range of charging standards, but in order to serve the increasing number of cars that are compatible with the Tesla charging standard, they are now progressively adding NACS plugs to their stations. Achieving a balance between cost-effectiveness and catering to a wide variety of EV users is the problem facing charging network operators. It is a tough business proposition due to the inherent difficulties of running a charging network which are characterized by high upfront expenses and variable utilization rates. ChargePoint's recent difficulties, as seen by its stock performance after a lower-than-expected earnings announcement, highlight the industry's concurrent instability. Tesla is still forming partnerships with major businesses, including Hilton, which plans to install 20,000 Tesla Universal Wall Connector outlets at 2,000 of its hotel locations in the US, Canada, and Mexico. This project will surely strengthen Hilton's standing as a pioneer in the hotel industry's EV charging infrastructure, providing a useful amenity to its customers who care about the environment. Hilton, a well-known hotel chain, managing a number of well-known brands including DoubleTree, Hampton Inn, and Embassy Suites, among others, has shown awareness of the changing demands of its visitors. In particular, guests are more and more requesting electric vehicle charging stations while they are on the go. Interesting information can be found on the Hilton website. In terms of turning searches into real stays, the search volume for EV charging has grown at the quickest rate this year, jumping from the fourth highest category to the second highest. This change in consumer choices highlights the growing need for easy-to-use EV charging alternatives when traveling with Hilton. In response to this demand, Hilton recently disclosed that the most popular search term resulting in hotel reservations was access to an airport shuttle from a hotel location, given the recent spike in interest in EV charging. While both Tesla's Universal Wall Connectors and the well-known supercharger network serve the same purpose, namely charging Tesla electric vehicles, there are differences in terms of charging speed and cost between the two. Hilton is adjusting its offerings to better suit its guests' changing priorities. While wall connectors offer a more affordable, albeit slower, option for AC charging, Tesla's supercharger network offers rapid DC charging, which is a quicker way to recharge an electric vehicle's battery. This strategic approach enables Tesla to serve a wider range of customers, including those who prioritize cost or speed. The efficiency of their preferred charging methods, the company's commitment to installing affordable and convenient AC charging solutions wherever EVs are parked for extended periods of time, typically more than an hour or two, was reaffirmed by Rebecca Tanucci, Senior Director of Charging Infrastructure at Tesla. The company's focus on accessibility and affordability is consistent with its larger mission to make EV charging simple and hassle-free for its expanding customer base. User base. In the meantime, Tesla continues to expand its supercharger network by adding another significant automotive partner, Honda, with the goal of removing the need for electric vehicle owners to make needless refueling stops during their journeys, but ensuring a smooth and efficient travel experience. Such infrastructure is being installed at well-known locations like Hilton hotels. Honda has stated that starting in 2025, the new EVs would use the North American Standard Connector for charging. Figure of 7.5% applies to this video. We've seen some very promising deals like the one between Tesla and Hilton, as well as more progress with China. But what does this dynamic market mean for Tesla and other automakers, and how will consumer preferences and policy measures shape the industry's future? Let us know in the comments below. Before we go, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. This is Tesla Insights. We hope to see you again in our next videos.